1,000 minds and one common question is there in all those minds. What is that common question I'm going to answer in this video? That are YouTube lectures of KSJ Teaching still applicable for May and November 2023 attempt? The answer is a big yes. But sir, we still have one question in mind, that these lectures were uploaded a few years back. Then how can you say that these are still applicable for the upcoming attempt? What about the amendments? The answer is simple. Costing and FM are static subjects with no amendments, and in case there are amendments, we'll upload on YouTube, that is for sure. So start with your preparations right now. What are you waiting for? Nothing to wait for. Start your preparations right now. For handbooks in line with these free lectures, you can visit our website www.ksjteaching.org, and for other courses like ICAI course for all-rounder courses, you can download our Android or iOS mobile app. The links are given in the video description. And one more thing, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share with all your friends.